What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, we're gonna be checking out if these Topwavers are legit or not. Now if you don't know who Topwavers is, they're like the #1 wave page, I believe, in the world. So if you don't know who Topwavers is, I'm not sure you're, a Topwaver. You know what I mean? If you're a Topwaver, you're gonna wanna be on that Topwavers page. So we're gonna check out the Topwavers page and see if the waivers on that page are really elite waivers or they're just frauds. So in order to be legit, you gotta have at least a minimum of 4 forks. If you have more than 4 forks, you're not legit, man. But first, guys, right before we get into this video, I want you guys to go check out the website 216kingwavymerch.com. Copy 216kingwavymerch and use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off your purchase. We still have a couple of Ultimate Elite packs left over, so go ahead and order yours now before everything's sold out. And don't forget to use that discount code JUICE15 to get an additional 15% off your purchase. If you guys haven't seen the video of me unboxing the Ultimate Elite pack, go check it out right now before you watch this video. So with that being said, let us jump right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright y'all, we are now screen recording my desktop. First off, before we get into the real video, we got a join button right here. What does that do? Oh, you guys can now join the 360 Juice channel, get access to membership perks. So it's only $3 a month. Once you join, you get these. Hey, when you first start karate, you get white, yellow, orange, blue, purple, brown, black, and you become a black belt. The red is basically a black belt. Once you get that red star, whatever that is, you are now an elite member of this channel. All right. And also the perks that you guys get when you join my channel, you automatically get connected with me on social media. So I'm following you back. I'm gonna DM you. You want a shout out? It's free. Whatever you want. We're buddies. You feel me? Once you join the channel, we're friends. Alright, and then now I'm gonna promote your business. Whatever you're doing on Instagram, I'm promoting you. I'm shouting you out. We're friends now. You could DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna respond back to you. We're gonna talk like we're cool. And then we're gonna have Zoom calls. I'm gonna try to have Zoom calls. Once we get 3 members on the channel, we're gonna start having Zoom calls every Sunday. Every Sunday we have Zoom calls and we're gonna talk business. If you need help with YouTube, I'm gonna help you out. If you need help with Instagram, growing your channel, whatever you wanna do, you tell me on a Zoom call and I'm gonna do that. And afterwards, every Zoom call, at the end of every Zoom call, I'm doing a giveaway. It could be brushes, it could be a pomade, whatever it is. I'm choosing somebody on that Zoom call, the person that really caught my eyes, and I'm giving them a product. All right, so join the channel. Let's get to work. Let's do this. Now we're about to react to the video. I'm not the video, but Topwavers. All right, we're on Topwavers now, guys. Let's get it. Topwavers. Good morning, Topwavers. I don't say good morning no more. I say grand rising, because there ain't no morning this morning. What am I morning for? It's a good day. Grand rising, Topwavers. Be great today. Be great. All right, what's going on right here? Okay. That's not legit. Get out of here. I'm being honest too, man. I ain't gonna sugarcoat nothing. Alright? I'm gonna put the volume down because I don't want to get copyrighted. So what's this one right here? Ooh, what the heck is that in the back? You forgot, the barber forgot to cut that part right here. But need a lot of work. Alright? A lot of brush work. Lacking brush work. Not legit for me. This one right here, what's going on? Burning your ears? Oh yeah, this one definitely legit. I can see he's still wolfing. He didn't cut the wolf off all the way. That looked like a 2 or a 3. One of those. Definitely legit. Couple forks right here. But that's nothing. I can still see the definition. I still see the connections. This one definitely legit. I liked it. Legit, legit, legit. Alright, what about this one right here? Weight check. Is you legit or not? You got the Supreme do-rag on. Okay. Great definition. Couple forks to break. Crown looking closed a little bit. That's legit. That's legit. I'm gonna get at a like. That's legit. Okay. What about this one right here? This one look legit from afar. Just looking at it. Look. Ooh, yeah, that's legit right here. That's definitely legit. Let me zoom in real quick. This one right here is definitely legit. You feel me? Legit, legit, legit. He the best one so far. Alright, what's this one right here? I think I reacted to this on TikTok. Oh yeah. Yeah, y'all need to stop with them blackouts, man. I mean, I get blackouts too, you feel me? I don't know. I don't know. I guess I gotta stop getting blackouts too when I'm like 30. What's this one? I don't know what this man's saying, but nah, get out of here. Alright, so what's this one right here? Hold up, what you just do? Yo, this dude really did some nonsense. I'ma just move on. I ain't got nothing to say about that. This one right here is super legit. Dang, got the nice suit on. What color is that? Rose gold suit on. That doesn't look nice. I might have to cop me a rose gold suit now. Got the not the bow tie. You got the tie on. Got the wave swimming. She don't want to look, cause whoever this is, I don't know if it's a she or if it's a guy. Alright, I'm not trying to judge none of that. Whoever that is, ain't trying to look at the waves, cause you see the eyes looking down, cause they don't want to drown. Sheesh, definitely dope right there. I liked it already. This one, the cut is legit, but the waves are not. Okay, the waves are not. What's this one right here? Brushing with the Supreme. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This one right here, this hurts. You feel me? It hurts. But if you elite, it don't really hurt you like that. You just pull it back. What's going on right here? The heck? Hold up. What if he cut his ears off? My trust level is not up there like that. This is Develop Perry. He definitely legit. Is this legit right here? Let me see if this legit right here. Go ahead, bro. Play. Got the double do-rag on, double compressed. Taking long to unrag. You better be legit if you're taking that long. You feel me? You better be legit if you're taking this long. You got, I forgot this waver name right. RG3 in the back, you feel me? Already did a wave check. Yeah, you taking mad long. Oh, he definitely legit right here. He legit. Oh yeah. Do I even see a fork? I think I see a fork, maybe in my dreams, but I don't know. Stop moving so much, I probably see the forks. You know, he moving too much, but he definitely legit right there. Definitely. I forgot to leave a like, man. I forgot to leave a like. Leave a like. I left a like already. 3 different wave textures. That's medium right here. Medium is like the best texture to get waves, man. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm jealous, cause I love my texture. It's like a medium type. It's like in the middle of medium and coarse. But medium is really where it's at. What's the other textures? That's like another, yes, that's kind of like the texture I have. Kind of like in between medium and coarse. Alright, but that's not super coarse. This one right here, that's straight. Man, that was not a good example of coarse. You know, coarse be like super small. But this definitely legit though. This definitely legit, man. Alright, what's next? This one right here, let's see if this one legit. Oh yeah, that's legit. I don't even gotta keep watching. That's legit right there. Like, got the 720, got the 540 with the swirl. I think 720, whatever it is. Let's see this one legit right here. Oh yeah, this is a legit picture right here. Got the waves looking down at the basketball, trying to show off the waves. He got the, I think that's a drop fade, right? Or a mid fade, whatever that is. I know he ain't got no progress on that side, just the top and the top corners and junk. But that's legit right there. What's next? Oh yeah, let me hear what this man got to say. He cursing, so we're not watching that.
Wave check.
Oh no, chill. Dang, that music came out of nowhere. Legit, bruh. This one is freaking legit. Dang, I'm about to get into how you say that when they try to do these illusions on you? My eyes about to get into an illusion, something like that. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that's legit right there. Did I leave a like? Yeah, I did already. This one, oh, this is a wave cut. This is definitely legit. Let me see this cut, man. Let me see this cut. I liked it better when he was wolfing. I ain't gonna lie. I liked it better when he was wolfing. Is this legit right here? Let me pick out the best ones. If you're not swimming, go sit down, man. You're not legit. Let me see this one. I could barely see anything, but I think you're swimming in there. Legit. All these legit except him. You gotta do something with those over curls, man. Alright, no hating though. Just critiquing. Alright, critiquing. What's next? Yeah, what is this dude doing?
What's good, Topwavers? You got all this shampoo?
All these shampoo?
On my waves? Let's take a bit.
You waste this shampoo. All you need is a little bit. A little goes a long way, man. What you doing?
Be brushing. We got the mirror out here and everything.
I ain't even gonna lie. That lather look immaculate, boy. That lather look immaculate, bro. Yo, look at the lather.
Working on our sides.
Working on your crown. How you seeing your crown from there? You can't see your crown from there, bro. You gotta have a mirror behind you to see your crown.
What's good, Topwavers?
Yeah, that lather was dope though, man. I'm gonna have to say that's legit right there.
What's good,
that lather immaculate, boy. Legit. What's going on right here? This man on a brush phone? What's going on? What you doing? Where the waves at? Rico? Hey, man. It's not legit, bro. He on a fake phone. Alright, this one right here legit. This one right here legit. This whole thing, this whole picture legit. You feel me? Legit, man. Spin it. What's this one right here? I'm a little... I don't know how to feel about this one, okay? My honest opinion, okay? This is my opinion only. My opinion, it matters and it don't matter, okay? If you don't think my opinion matters, that you're right. It don't. If you think it matters, then you're right also. It do. I think this one lacks definition. It doesn't have depth. It's not deep. It's like the waves are stuck. They're stuck on top. They're not going deep to the scalp. So yeah, that's the only thing. But yeah, those forks on this side right here need to go. The wave's not flowing properly. It's like going on the S motion. I want it to flow straight. Alright, but it's legit though. It's legit. But that's all. Ooh. Legit, bruh. Bruh, look at the depth. Y'all see what I'm saying though? You see how the waves are deep, and then the other one, the waves wasn't deep. Like, look at this. Where'd it go? You see this one compared to this? You see how deep it is? It's like dark. It's like deeper and darker. Alright? This right here is definitely legit right here. That's my boy. What's his name? Lil Waver _K. Big shout out to Lil Waver _K, man. Keep doing your thing, bro. Doing big things, man. This one right here. This one right, is it legit? I mean, the waves look deep. Definition on point, connections on point, no forks. Crown looks closed. Bro, I'ma have to say this legit right here, man. I see no forks, man. And he wolfing, bro. His wave's deep. Come on, man. Alright, let's move on, man. Being sarcastic. Alright, this one right here legit. The flows, you gotta work on the flow real quick, you know. Vertical brush this top part so you can make it come down a little bit so everything can flow properly. But yeah, that's legit right there. Alright, we're gonna have to end it right here, man. Let's end it right here. Alright guys, that's going to have to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't joined the channel yet to become my friend, my personal friend, business partner, whatever, and you want shout outs from me, and if you haven't joined the channel yet, you're missing out, man. It's only $3 a month. Join the channel and become friends with 360 Juice. You know, text me like buddies and everything. We're gonna hop on Zoom calls, talk like buddies, talk business and everything, you feel me? Join the channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy or the YouTube algorithm, alright? Smash the subscribe button. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace.